Discover how sweet corn is processed in modern food factories. In this video, we explore the complete sweet corn processing journey, from harvesting fresh corn in the fields to cleaning, cutting, blanching, and packaging it for supermarkets. See how machines remove kernels from the cob and how sweet corn is prepared for canning and freezing while preserving its natural flavor and nutrients. If you've ever wondered how sweet corn goes from farm to table, this factory process will show you every step of the production line. Watch the amazing food manufacturing technology used to produce the sweet corn you eat every day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos about how foods are made in factories. Sweet corn processing turns fresh corn into canned or frozen products while keeping its natural sweetness and nutrients. Here's the typical step-by-step process used in food factories. Harvesting. Sweet corn is harvested when the kernels are still soft and sweet. Machines or workers pick the corn from the fields and quickly transport it to the processing plant to keep it fresh. Husking and cleaning. The outer green leaves, husks, and silk are removed from the corn. The cobs are then washed with clean water to remove dirt, dust, and field debris. Cutting the kernels. Special machines cut the kernels off the cob. These machines slice close to the cob so most of the kernels are collected without damaging them. Sorting and inspection. The kernels pass through sorting machines and are sometimes checked by workers. This step removes damaged kernels, pieces of cob, or other unwanted materials. Blanching. The kernels are briefly heated in hot water or steam. This process stops enzyme activity, preserves color and flavor, kills bacteria. Cooling. After blanching, the corn is quickly cooled with cold water to stop the cooking process. Packaging. The processed corn is packaged in different ways. For canned sweet corn, kernels are placed in cans. Salt water or brine is added. Cans are sealed. For frozen sweet corn, kernels are packed into bags, sent to quick freezing machines, sterilization or freezing. Canned corn, heated in high temperature sterilizers to kill bacteria and extend shelf life. Frozen corn, quickly frozen to preserve freshness and texture. Labeling and distribution. The finished products are labeled, packed into cartons, and shipped to supermarkets.